So this is a picture of our board from today's lesson on Mishnah Hay. This was a general introduction about the types of things, what needs to be removed and given to the Kohen, the Levi, in the various places, what a farmer or someone who's growing produce has to do in the times of the Beis Hamikdash. So we started off by saying, just to start with a number, we said, let's say you had 100 stalks of wheat, and we said that until you have separated anything from this produce, it is called tevel. Tevel means we put an X there to show that you may not partake, you may not eat the tevel before anything was taken from it. Okay, so now the farmer is ready to start separating what he has to give away in order that it should no longer be tevel. So we started with 100 stalks of wheat. We are going to take 2 and give it to the Kohen. This is called Teruma. Teruma means donation. We give 1/50th to the Kohen. So out of 100, you have about 2 out of 100 given to the Kohen. Great. Okay, so we gave 2 away to the Kohen. So now we are left with 98 pieces of grain, stalks of wheat, sorry. And we're not finished yet. Now we have to give to the Levi. The Levi gets 10 parts. He gets 1/10. 1/10 goes to the Levi, so it's almost 100 pieces. So it's almost 10 stalks of wheat are going, but we're rounding it out. So we said 10 are going to the Levi, and this is called Maaser. Maaser comes from the root word eser, which means 10. So we're giving 1/10 to the Levi. Okay, so now the owner is left with 88 because we started with 100. We took away 2 for the Kohen. We took away 10 for the Levi, so we're rounding it off to 88. But he's still not finished. He has to give Maaser. He has to give another 10th. He has to take another 10th off for something or someone. What is this? Well, so now we are rounding 88 to 90, and therefore he takes 9 pieces. And now it depends on the year. That's right, because we go by the Shemitah. So it depends what year of the Shemitah it is. Let's start with the first one, which is years 1, 2, 4, and 5 of Shemitah. So that is called Maaser Sheni. You see here Esther wrote Sheni, second Maaser, and the owner may eat this, but he has to eat it in Yerushalayim because it's holy. Okay, very good. All right, so now we started off with 100. We deducted 2 for the Kohen, for Teruma. We deducted 10 for the Levi, for Maaser. We deducted 9 for Maaser Sheni. Or the other option is this 9 can go in year 3 and 6 is called Maaser Ani. Ani means poor. That's because you give this 1/10, which in this case is 9 parts because you rounded to 90. You give it to the poor people. Okay, so we started with 100. We took 2 for the Kohen, 10 for the Levi, 9 for Maaser Sheni or Maaser Ani. So now we are left, out of 100, we are left with a total of 79. That 79 is called chulin and may now be eaten by the owner. Chulin comes from the word chol, which means weekday or mundane, regular, because this food is now regular food that can be eaten by anyone. So hopefully now you understand all the various parts that are given away. And we see something amazing here, that we're giving almost even more than 20% away to the Kohen, the Levi, the poor person, or eating it in Yerushalayim. You might think, how do I have anything left for myself? But Hashem promises us that if we give to the needy and if we give to the Kohen and the Levi that don't have their own land, then Hashem promises He will give us back much, much more and as much as we need. So we're showing our faith in Hashem by doing this.